back at it with you. Part 2, International Flight 3 tutorial. I'm using this right here. No regrets, sneaker cleaner. Alright. Part 1 showed you how to pick and clean the bottom. Not gonna do too much talking. Just finna get into it. This whole shoe. I'll sit there right now. Start off with these laces. Take these on up out of here. Water. Good old hot water. You see that thing bubbling? Yeah, that's what we need, some good hot water. Alright. And what I'm finna do real quick, I'm gonna get some of this dirt and stuff out of here. None of that in my way. Alright. There we go. Let's start it. There you go. First one down. Let's get started on the second. Yeah, I ain't doing too much talking. Y'all got all the talking out there first. Sit back and watch. Pretty much doing the same thing over. Hit it real good with this brush. Then this solution. Hit it with that steamer. And then we're gonna let the UV do all the rest of the work. One good scrub down at 24 to 48 hours, depending on you, how long you can stop looking in your tent, waiting on some results. Trust me. This shit right here, one good scrub down, talking about real good scrub down, and it's just like that infomercial shit. You can set it and forget it. About 2, maybe 3 days. One good scrub down. Scrub it up good. Helps real good, get all that locked in dirt, move it around, get it out, and it sanitizes.